The Crypto.com Visa card is a prepaid cryptocurrency card that allows users to spend their digital assets in the real world. To get started, you need to download the Crypto.com app and apply for the card. Once approved, you will receive a physical card and a virtual card that can be added to your mobile wallet. The card is linked to your Crypto.com wallet, which supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. You can fund your wallet by transferring cryptocurrencies from an external wallet or by purchasing them directly within the app. When you make a purchase with the Crypto.com Visa card, the transaction is processed in the local currency of the merchant. The card automatically converts the required amount of cryptocurrency from your wallet to the local currency, using the current exchange rate. This process is called fiat conversion. For example, if you want to buy a coffee that costs $5, the card will convert the equivalent amount of cryptocurrency from your wallet to dollars. Using the current market rate, the merchant will then receive the payment in dollars, and you will be left with the remaining balance in your wallet. One of the key benefits of the Crypto.com Visa card is that it does not charge foreign transaction fees, making it a great option for international travel. Additionally, the card offers cashback rewards and other benefits, such as airport lounge access and travel insurance. To manage your card and track your expenses, you can use the Crypto.com app. The app allows you to view your transaction history, check your balance, and freeze your card if it is lost or stolen. You can also use the app to transfer funds to and from your wallet, and to purchase additional cryptocurrencies. In terms of security, the Crypto.com Visa card uses robust security measures to protect your funds and personal data. The card is issued by a licensed bank and is compliant with all relevant regulatory requirements. Additionally, the Crypto.com app uses two-factor authentication and encryption to secure your account and transactions. Overall, the Crypto.com Visa card is a convenient and secure way to spend your cryptocurrencies in the real world. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of your card and enjoy the benefits of using cryptocurrency for your everyday purchases.